what is a program security. Program security, that's a central piece of computer security. Why? Because we divide the security in different parts over there. As I told you that we divide the overall, like the second chapter we talk about the encryption. So that was about like the data security inside the data we have it now. Apart from the data, we there are other components in a computer. When two computers are interacting with each other, okay, so there are like a lot of um, components over this. So computer security is not just like one thing, it is many things. So we talk about the data inside it in the chapter number 2, and how we can make it a tafsheer of different programs. We have some advanced schemes, AESD, DES, and different RSA schemes over there for the data security. But the data is into a container. There is a container. We put the data in it. Like some programs are like handling this data over there. So that programs are like some applications, some apps over there. It can be apps of eBay. It can be the apps of souk.com. It can be the app of Jareer. It can be the app of Extra. So there, or it can be like normal apps like Microsoft Word or Excel, or different kinds of applications. So it can be like a computer applications over there, or it can be mobile applications. So both are program security comes in it. Outside this one, there is another layer which is called operating system layer. Okay, which helps to operate all the computer. So without the operating system, the computer is just like a hardware. It's just like you as a dump. Okay, so it's very hard to interact with the hardware walls of the computer over there, right? So so the hardware security is different thing. Okay, so hardware security is a different matter. Then we have operating system security, one layer. Then we have application security, and then before data security. So we talk about the data security, how to encrypt it. Now we are coming one step ahead, which is called the program, in which the data usually playing with it. All right. So the eBay, they have their own data. The souk.com, they have their own data, and they are dealing with it. So how to deal with that programs over there. And then later on we will talk about the operating system problems, and how to make the secure the operating system. So there is another layer. And then we will go for the physical security, hardware level security. And then we will go for the network security when I'm sending the data. So this is called the data in the rest and the data in the transition. So there are two protection. If the data is in rest, okay, not moving, what encryption schemes or I have to apply. But when the data is in moving, so that's called network security. So a new branch of security is working over this. So here network security, operating system security, application security, data security, network security, we have it, right? So and then so these are the different perspective. And then overall we have a like planning, like security planning and policies over there. So all the big umbrella is the policy and PNP. We go just like the short, we call it PNP, policies and the planning. So policy and plannings comes on all, whether it's a hardware, whether it's a network, whether it's an app, whether it's a data, whether it's operating system. So the policy and planning overcome. That's why I told you that there are a lot of jobs for the policy and the plannings over there, right? So this is the only thing you have to like make, but you have to think more on it. Basically, operating systems, they are available. Encryption schemes, they are available. App security, they are available over there. There are some antivirus and all these things. Network securities, there are intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system and firewalls. We have it, right? We just need to configure. The most important thing where you need to use your mind is about policy and the planning over there, which is the last chapter number 7. We will go for it, right? So for every security there is a specific chapter. So from the data we talk about it extensively in the last lecture. In this chapter we will go for the program security. In the next chapter we will go for the operating system security, and then for the network security, and then for the policy and the planning for that one. So I hope that the concept becomes now is more clearer to you.